Hello guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Welcome to the Mas channel. Please subscribe, like and comment to support. Thanks. So today we would like to talk about one of the site that you can earn money online, which called moneybirds.org. You can see here the project was launched on 12th June 2013. And here is the statistic for the total participant, almost 2 million people here. For the new user, we can register here, and who already have account can log into the account. So after you enter to log into your account, it will show appear like this, and then here is the exchanger. You can exchange. You have 1,000 minimum. After you exchange, you can see the state of an account for shopping or for withdrawal here. I want to buy birds here. There are 5 types of birds. It's green, yellow, brown, blue, red. So we need to know which one we can afford to buy. I want to buy bird here. Okay. Here it is, silver exchange. But before that, I want to show you the daily bonus. So daily bonus, we can claim it every 24 hours, which means every day you log into this site, so you can claim for it. And another way, this is important thing is the silver exchange, that you can sell your silver, convert to the cash points, which we need to cash points to cash out or withdraw. So here, how to make our account can use this system is, for silver exchange we need to replenish almost 1,000 root to this here, and then after we replenish 1,000 root, we can use this system silver exchange. You say amount in silver minimum 1,000, your daily limits 2,000, remaining for today. I already used this before guys, so 0. So and then you can see how much I earned based from the system, and I already cash out here. It's a very important thing for this site. So some people ask me how to check cash point. So you need to type moneybirds.org account pay underscore points here, like this, and then we enter. So after we enter, it will show like this. You can see up here cash point, your balance cash point 1.46740. This means I can cash out here 1 equals to 1 root here. You can see 1 cash point. Cash point calculate the amount of funds withdrawn for the projects. 1 cash point is equal to 1 root. To withdraw 100 rubles from the system, you must have 100 cash points on your balance. You can also earn cash point credit for when you replenish your balance. Will recharge 20% of the top-up amount. Balance replenished by other users, which means you can use your referral. Okay, let's withdraw 1 point something like that. Okay, let's be like 1.4. Okay, already done. 1.4. Here you can see 1.39 groups. Okay, guys. So I hope you can get something from this video. Okay, thank you very much, and hope you success.